Here's another difficult math problem, and I have this one here as a challenge to you. I'd like you to redo the problem, show you this diagram, and I'd like you to pause the video and take a moment and solve it. And when you're ready, come back and we'll walk through it together, okay? Let me read the problem first. In this figure shown, the sum of the measures of angle YXZ and angle WXV is 75 degrees. What is the measure of angle ZXW? All right. Take a look at this. If you need to, pause, rewind a little bit, re-listen to the problem, write down the important information that it gives, and then we'll go forward and we'll solve it. Okay? All right. We're going to get started solving this now. Hopefully you took a second to try and solve it for yourself. Let's get started. From the problem, we know that the sum of the measures of angle YXZ plus, because it's the sum, angle WXY is equal to 75 degrees. All right? Let's first identify these angles. YXZ, YXZ. Hey, that's this angle right here. This 5x plus 5. Okay. What's the other one? Let's see. WXY, WXY. That's this one right here. 7x minus 2. Okay. So this plus this is equal to 75. Let's write that out. Let's rewrite it out right here. 5x plus 5 plus 7x minus 2 is equal to 75. We're running a little low on real estate for this problem, so I'm going to bring in another board. All right, remember that information. Let's tidy it up a little bit, okay? 5x plus 5 plus 7x minus 2 equals 75. Let's use those commutative properties of addition. 5x plus 7x, that is 12x. 5 minus 2 is 3, is equal to 75. Okay, so what can we do with this? Well, we have an equation here. We can certainly solve for x, can't we? Let's do it. Let's subtract 3 from both sides of this equation. 12x equals 72. This is multiplication, and the inverse of that is division. We'll divide both sides by 2. 72 divided by 12. Well, 12 times 5 is 60, so this must be 6. X is equal to 6 degrees. Okay. Let's take another look at that problem. Actually, let me get rid of this degrees here for a second. This isn't saying that this angle here is equal to 6 degrees, nor is it saying that this angle over here is equal to 6 degrees. All it's saying is that 5 times 6 plus 5 is equal to this angle here. So we can actually do that right now. We can replace this x with that 6 we got. What is 5 times 6? That's 30. 30 plus 5 is 35. So this angle here must be 35 degrees. Likewise, over here, what is 7 times 6? Well, that is, in fact, one moment. 7 times 6 is 42. 42 minus 2 is 40. This is 40 degrees. Lastly, all of these angles added together is equal to 180 degrees. Okay? So 35 plus 40 plus whatever this is equal to 180. Well, 35 plus 40 is 75. So 75 plus question mark equals 180. Subtract 75 from both sides. That goes away. What are we left with? 105 degrees. And that is what this angle here must be, 105 degrees. Okay.